I have a fun video for you today. I have partnered with FabFitFun to unbox their spring box for 2019. Hey everyone, Jennifer here. Spring is in the air and I have such a fun video for you today. So this is going to be a nice girly video and let's just get started. So like I said, I've partnered with FabFitFun for this video, and if any of you have wondered about subscription boxes, what's in them, what are they like, what is FabFitFun like, definitely watch this video to check it out. I always thought that a seasonal subscription box like this would make such a good gift. If you have an adult daughter, let's say she just went to college, or, you know, she just had a baby, or she's just working a lot, something, you know, she's just too busy. What a nice gift to treat her with a subscription box that comes 4 times a year, and it's just like her birthday 4 times a year, and she opens up the box and so cool. So there's so many fun things about this. I just received my box, so let's have a look at what's in it. I got to customize 2 of the items in the box, and one of them is my favorite thing in the box, which is this gorgeous spring robe. I love this thing. And I will show you the rest of what's in it as well. So let's have a look right now. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, and it comes out 4 times a year. They have a winter, spring, summer, and fall box. And each box is $49.99, but they each have the value of over $200 in each box. And I can already tell that with this one. I mean, I have a robe and gorgeous sunglasses that I love, and skincare and all sorts of cool things. So that's what's so nice, is that you really get a big discount on it. I have a coupon code, by the way, which is TDC for the Daily Connoisseur. That gives you $10 off your first box, which is really nice. So I've just been in a season of life with where I am right now. You know, we have a 5-month-old baby. I'm working a lot. We're homeschooling. I hardly leave the house. It's just, I'm in the trenches right now, you know, and I know a lot of you mothers can agree. So it was really exciting to receive the box and open it. It just felt like it was a gift for my birthday. So like I said, this would make an awesome gift. If there's someone that you know who is going through the trenches, it'd be so nice to gift them this box. And I mean, it's a really great price. Just my 2 cents. So let's start off with the first thing. This robe is so amazing. I love it. It's a spring robe, and I was looking for a new dressing gown because all of mine are, you know, kind of drab, dark colors, winter dressing gowns, and this one is just so pretty and bright and springy. It's by the brand Show Me Your Moo. So it's called the Bree Robe in Garden of Blooms, and this is one of the 2 things that I customized. So you're able to customize 2 things in your box, and then if you become a premium member, I believe you can customize everything in your box. So that's how that works out. But I chose this, of course, because I just saw it and I thought that is so me, it's perfect, and I love it. I'm really looking forward to wearing this all spring and summer. Okay, the next thing that I customized was a pair of sunglasses, and these sunglasses are awesome. I took a risk because sunglasses are very tricky with me. I don't really like many sunglasses, and I usually have to try them on, but I just had a feeling that I would like these because I do like the aviator shape. So these sunglasses are by Quay, Australia, and they're fantastic. I love them. So when I unboxed these, Mr. Connoisseur took them off and he put them on. They actually look better on him. Things always look better on him. But anyway, he wanted them because they could be kind of unisex glasses, but I said, no, they're mine. And so anyway, we're gonna keep them in the car, I think, and whoever's driving can end up wearing them. Okay, and the rest of the items that I received were surprises, which was nice. So I actually got a jump rope by Venus Williams, and so she has her own line, and this is her jump rope, and it's called 11. And this jump rope is great. You know, I like to work out from home. I do my rebounder mostly, and I also walk, but it doesn't hurt to add a jump rope routine in. I think that that's a great idea. And I'm wondering if I can actually jump rope on my rebounder. So we'll see. Maybe I'll include that. I'm not sure if that's safe or not, but yes, so I have this great jump rope, and I like it because it's not a traditional rope. It's like a different material. So it's really light and it's fantastic. Really good jump rope. Okay, next I received this Aromatic body lotion by Levite. It says inspired by nature, and it is mandarin, orange, and bergamot. And the scent, it's just like spring in a bottle. It just reminds me of walking through a really fragrant garden, and I love it. I've been using all of the products, by the way, since I got the box. So this is fantastic. It has ingredients from a certified organic source, and you know that that is important to me. So it's made in Israel, and it's just a lovely vegan, gluten-free product. So really nice aromatic hand lotion. Like I said, I feel like these things are all luxuries, and it's nice to have a luxury when you're in the trenches. Okay, next I got the Sip by Swell. I love this. I love these reusable bottles because it saves, you know, plastic. It's better for the environment. And this one is so neat. And this is for hot or cold drinks. And I love it. It's so cute. It has these little whales on it, and it's this gorgeous little peach color. So you can pour your hot or cold drink in there. And I just plan to have this just filled with water and carry it with me all around everywhere. So I'm planning to drink more water this year. But you could also fill it with a hot beverage as well. You could keep your coffee in there just the right temperature. So this itself normally sells for $20. So this is just a real great deal. Okay, moving right along, there's also the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this I tried on, and you know how I'm always going on about performance in skincare? This performs, okay? It's like you put it under your eye, and it's almost like you have to be careful that you don't put it in a wrinkle because it literally smooths out the lines under your eyes. So it's intense. It really does work. Eye depuffing gel. It does what it says it does. This itself is normally $42. So keep in mind the box is $49. It's amazing. So this is a really good find. I love this thing. It's great, especially on days that I look really tired. Okay, another lovely treat in here is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. This is so nice. It smells so good. I've used it in the bath and it's delightful. So it's just a sugar scrub for the body. It says, bubbles anyone? Champagne Charcoal Scrub is a luxe and gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal. I feel like that's a new hot ingredient to remove dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. It's just lovely. I mean, it's really nice and it smells so good. Like I said, this would just make such a good gift for somebody or yourself. The other beauty product that they have in here is the Way Hair Care. This is a leave-in conditioner, and this is really good. This is just as good as La Beauté one that I reviewed. I love this. So after I wash my hair, I spray this in before I blow dry it, and it's a nice heat protectant. It's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. This is good. And I'm going to use this on my daughters as well. So this is another good one too. And this is normally $26. And then, by the way, for prices, the sunglasses are, they normally sell for $60 and the robe sells for $84. So there you go. You have a lot of high quality, full-size products, and it's pretty awesome. Also, FabFitFun partners with a charity each season, and so this season they're partnering with the Ian Somerhalder Foundation, which aims to empower, educate, and collaborate with people and projects to positively impact the planet and its creatures. Okay, that is it. I really enjoyed this. It just brought me some much needed TLC, and if you want to check out FabFitFun, use my code TDC, that stands for the Daily Connoisseur, and you can get $10 off your first box. So instead of $49.99, it will only be $39.99, which is a really good deal. And it'll be something fun for you to look forward to in the mail. I will have all of their information below. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!